Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cash App how to find barcode. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Cash App and be sure to be logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, tap on the home icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to your banking section. Now all you gotta do is select the option that says paper money, and once you do that, here you'll be sent to deposit locations. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on this show barcode, and once you do that, here all you gotta do is just simply tap on show barcode once again, and once you do that, here show this barcode to the cashier and then scan it. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.